Hello. Hi, Lara. There you go. Hi, good morning. How is Lara today? Are you happy? Good. How about your lunch? Did you eat na your lunch or not yet pa? Not yet. What did you do this morning? What did you do?
Nothing.
You did nothing. All right, so Lara, we're gonna dance muna. Okay? We're gonna dance banana cha-cha. You want banana cha-cha?
Mama Chacha.
Is there a mama cha-cha? I think no. All right. Okay. We're gonna sing na. Okay? I not sing, dance. So that you're gonna have a energy. Chicken dance. You want chicken dance? Uh-huh. Sige.
Yes.
Okay, sure. Sige. Stand up, stand up. Oh, stand up. We're gonna have chicken dance. Okay. Chicken dance. One, two, three. Here we go. Shake, shake, shake. Okay. Finish with the chicken dance. Okay. So this time, take your seat na. Take your seat. Yesterday, 'di ba? We read some words and sentences and you did very well. What are we going to make today? Are we going to make pizza again? Are we going to make pizza again? No pizza. Ice cream or cake? No then. Sige. We'll choose na lang later. Okay? Alright. Sige, Lara. Here we go. Short O. O. Okay? Very good. Oh. Open your mouth. Big mouth, Lara. Oh.
Oh.
Oh. All right. Now we have here the O and B. What's the sound of O and B together? O. B. Very good. Yay! Good job. Faster. Ob. K. Oh, Lara. T and then ob. Call. Call. Mm-mm. Call. Cob. Yeah. Very good. Galing. Oh, how about this one? J. Ja.
Daddy.
Jajari ja. Jari pa Ben. Jari pa Ben. J now. J. J. Jaw. Go, Lara. Ob. Jaw. Aha. Jaw. Of. Jaw. Very good. Louder. It's a job. So when we say job, it's a work. All right?
I don't know what
Something.
you said.
You don't know what is it? Like a teacher, like a policeman, like a doctor. That is a job.
And the
Okay?
fireman.
And the fireman. That is
And the
correct.
nurse.
Oh, that's good. Oh, how about this one naman? What's this? Ra. Go, Lara. Oh, you can do it. Go, 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 go. Ra.
Rob.
Oh, do you know what a rub is? You know what a rub? What is a rub? Someone rob money. Oh no. Rob money. Oh no. Is that good or not good, Lara?
Not good.
Not good. Okay. Read faster. 1, 2, 3, go. Cup.
Cup.
This one.
Job.
Very good. And this one?
Cap.
Rob. Yes, that's perfect. Good job. All right, let's read a sentence. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, oh. Oh no, Lara. Let's read. Read it. How do you read that word? So that we're gonna make choose na something. Go. Ano? What's this?
Dama.
Dama? Anong dama? The man. One more time. Go. The man.
The man.
Lara, go. Lara, read. Sige, sige, go. Has. The man has. Go, Lara.
The man has robbed.
The man. No. Go. The man has no job. So.
He robbed.
Okay. Very good. Yay. Okay. So one more time again. Can you do it again? Faster. And then you.
The
Oh.
man doesn't have a job, so he's robbed.
Hi, very good. So he robbed. The man has no job, so he robbed. Uh-oh, Lara.
I don't
Oh,
know what's
no.
robbed.
You know, taking some money from the bank,
Yes.
snatching, and getting some money that's not yours. Okay, here naman. Here.
I get some money.
Oh. Huh?
I get some money.
You get a money?
I steal.
Hala! You steal? Why did you steal? Oh, uh-oh. Oh no. Is that good stealing money from others? No, it's not good. Okay, now here we go. Up. Oh, what's this one? Oh, 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 up, up, up,
Up.
up, 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 up.
Up.
Faster.
Up.
I'm sorry. I
Oh.
I promise we're gonna choose something, right? Sige. If teacher will keep promise and you will also keep your promise to read. Okay? Okay, good job. What do you want to make? Backpack, cake, Christmas tree, cookie, cupcake, a face, a gingerbread house, make a house, make a mask, make a pizza, a pumpkin, a robot, a skateboard, a snowman, a tree house, a Valentine, Easter egg,
Valentine.
ice, Valentine.
Valentine.
Make a Valentine. Sige.
What's
Before
Valentine?
it's
What?
remember the Hearts Day. Remember the Hearts
Yeah.
Day. Mm. Okay, Hearts Day. Hearts Day. You want the
Yeah.
Hearts Day? You want
Yeah.
the yes. Okay. Sige. But with Valentine, make a Valentine. Wow. We're gonna make a letter. Okay? Ah,
Yeah.
but later na.
Later.
Later na. Read
Later.
muna. Read muna. Up, up.
Oh. Up.
Cup,
Ha. O. P.
p, up, ka,
Ka.
and up.
Cup.
Cup. Very good. Do you know what a cup is? It's short for policeman. For a police. Oh, how about that word, Lara? What's that?
Uh,
HOP. Mm.
mm,
Ha.
ha.
What is that? Go.
Ha.
Louder.
Ha.
Okay, louder. Ha.
Ha. Ka. O. P.
Oh, ha. Up.
Hop.
Ha.
Hop.
Very. Hop. Oh, hop. Very good. Hop. Hop. Do. Hop. Do you know what hop means? Like jumping with one foot. Okay, hopping. 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 All right. You want to go hopping? You want to
Yes,
go hopping?
I'm hopping like this.
Really? Wow. Okay. Hopping. Oh, how about this word naman? Ma.
Ba.
Mm-hmm.
Mm,
Yes. Ma. Come on, Lara. So that we're gonna make na your cup. Go.
Ma.
And then up. Mm,
Of.
ma.
Ah. O.
Mm,
Ha.
ma.
Ma.
Very good. Louder.
Ma.
Very good. It's a mop. Nice one. It's a mop. It's a mop. It's a mop. It's a mop. Very good. Do you know what a mop is?
Yeah.
Used to clean. How about this one? How about that one?
Up.
Hmm. Hmm.
Up. Up. Pop.
Pop. Yay! Very good, Lara. One more time. One more time.
Pop.
Pop. Pop the balloon, Lara. Pop the balloon. Pop the balloon. Okay, how about this one? Hmm.
Huwag kayo mag-ano slow.
What's this one? What's this? What's
Time.
the ta?
Sa.
Up. Louder, louder. Kuya Martin, now. Ta.
Sa.
Up.
Up.
Mm.
It's
It's a
a.
ta.
Sa.
Kuya Martin. Wow.
Top.
Louder, Lara, go. Very good. Top up the mountain. Top up the mountain. Top up the mountain.
My
Up,
slime.
up.
My slime.
Oh yeah, hi, cousin. Okay.
I'm
All
five
right.
BPG.
Yes. My baby cousin. I'll read faster and then we'll make na. Okay? 1, 2, 3, go.
Huh.
Ha. Very good. 2.
Ha.
Lara, faster. Ha. Lara,
Ha.
Lara.
Huh.
Very good. Number 3. 3, 3, 3. Ma.
Oh.
You can do it. Ma.
Mop.
Ma. Louder, faster.
Mop.
Ma. Again.
Mop.
Okay, number 4. Oh, balloon. The balloon.
Top.
Very good. Number 5.
Up.
Top. Very good. Read the sentence and then make a letter na. Make a sentence. Make a sentence. Make a sentence. Oh. Read the sentence. Go.
The.
Read the word. Read the word below. Look at it.
The.
Lara, can you point it? Can you point it? Point the word. Point the cup.
Cup. Cup. The. Balloon.
Very good.
Pop the balloon.
Good job, Lara. Yay. The cup popped the balloon. I think Lara, Lara popped the balloon. Lara popped the balloon or no? Is it Lara or Kuya Martin?
Kuya Martin.
Hi, Kuya Martin. Okay, so let's make a Valentine. What color Lara wants? Sit properly, Lara. Sit properly. Is it? Oh, wow. This color, this
Yes.
This color. This
No,
color.
I
Which
want
one?
purple. I want purple.
You want purple. Okay. How about the border? Oh, which one Lara wants? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, what Lara wants? This one? Heart, heart?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Daddy.
How about stickers? Oh, who are we going to have the letter? Is it mommy or daddy?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Yes. Taas. Taas.
Okay, up, up.
the video game. No. That video game. That drop. The video game. Drop.
This one?
No, the drop.
Ah, the giraffe.
Video game.
Okay. Now video game. Oh, what else pa? What else pa, Lara?
Baba.
Ha?
Baba. Baba.
Okay.
Mommy.
We'll give it to mommy. Mommy?
Yes. And daddy.
Ah, mommy and daddy. Like that?
Yes.
Okay, what? Okay, now?
Yes.
Yes. We're going to write something. Ay. All right. So, what are we going to do? What are we going to put? I love you, mommy and daddy.
Now.
No, I love you. No more na. Best
I
mom
want, yes, and daddy.
and daddy too. Best mom and daddy too. Okay? All right, finish natin. We'll send it to mommy and daddy later, okay? We'll give it to mommy and daddy later. Huh?
Promise.
Huh?
Promise.
Huh?
Promise. Promise.
Oh, okay. So we'll have here. Last one, Lara. Ought. Ought. Ought.
Hot.
Ought. Ought. Oh, how are we going to read this word, Lara? Ooh.
Ka o fa. Ka of
Caw.
ho.
One more time.
Horse.
Caught. Very good. How about this one? The
The
and then ought. Go, Lara.
ot.
The
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 ought. The
dot.
dot. Faster.
Dot.
Very good. Dot. Wonderful. Dot. Now, oh, how about this one, Lara? H-H-H-O-T. Ha,
Ha.
ought. Go, Lara. Go, Lara. Ha, Lara.
Panda.
Okay. Oh, how about this one? Read na, read na. Kuya Martin, no. Lara, go. Ha,
Ho.
and then ought. Ha. Kuya Martin, do not disturb Lara. Ha, ought. Ha.
Hot. Hot.
Very good. Okay, this one, Lara. Lara, look. Lara, look.
Hot.
Lara, look. Yes, it's a ha. Pa, and then ought. Pa, Lara, go.
Hot.
Lara. Very good. Oh, faster na, and then bye-bye. Faster na, and then bye-bye. Go, 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 go. Ka,
Cup. Mop.
Lara.
Cup.
Hot.
Hot.
Number 4, Lara. Almost done na. Pa,
Cup. Cup.
hot. Okay, read the sentence and go. The
The
hot
hot
Lara, please. Please, Lara. Ha, you know how to read this na. Has
has a b
the
o
dot.
dot.
Okay. The cot has a dot. Again, the
The coat has a dot.
very good. Ayun. Now here we go. I will send it to mommy. I will send it to daddy. Yay! I'll send it to mommy and daddy.
Mommy
Thank
is
you,
in work.
Mommy is
Office.
mommy is working in the office.
Yes, and Daddy is working in the office.
Oh,
I will need the console.
I will just send it to them. Okay, I will message to mommy and daddy. Thank you, Lara.
Bye bye. Bye bye.